My name is Cody Hendrick and welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk to you about how to put together the easiest raised garden bed from Amazon. So, sorry. They're PVC. They come in a package with four sides. They're 4 foot by 4 foot, 48 inches. They're a little bit less on an interior, but that's not important because it's still a lot of real estate. Glenda, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? So, my garden beds got tore up because I got a new fence. So along this line, we had to move my raised garden beds off of the fence line so we could install the fence. So now I got to put them back together. So I figured it was a perfect time, since I'm working on that, to show y'all how easy this raised garden bed is from Amazon. Like I said before, it's PVC. It's 48 inches by 48 inches, and they just slide together. They're not too expensive. I think each kit was $78. But I think they'll last longer than wood, being that they're PVC, and they're not going to have any impact on the environment, which is most important. So let's have a quick look, shall we? Yeah. All right. Y'all tell me if this wide angle is kind of weird. I'm using a GoPro right now. I'm not quite sure how to change it. So this is how they come. They're dado cut so they can slide together. They're lightweight, they're easy to handle. They're dirty because they've been in my garden. I've been using them. It just so happens, I don't know if you can see how it's mounted up over here. That's where these ones used to be, but it got messed up, and that's all right. See if I can straighten that out a little bit. So they're dado cut, which means they'll just slide right together, and I could probably put this garden bed back together in about 30 seconds. But let me grab the shovel, shovel some of this away, and then we'll put it back together, huh? Now that I've got it mounted up, I bet you I can put it together relatively quickly with no effort. Ants. Ooh. I must have stepped in an ant pile. Got ant bites all over my leg. It's gonna feel wonderful later. So I'm gonna have to pause real quick. That hurts. I don't know, I've probably got about 20 bites on me, but I disturbed their home. I stepped all in their nest. Stepped all in their home. Got ate up. But I'm gonna press on anyways. I hope you can see that. Them ants got me, Clinda. Now watch out. They get you too. You smell them? Them ants will get you. Try to avoid steaming it again. It feels you. Ooh. So, it took me less than a minute to put it together. Legs are on fire because they're red ants and they really got me good. So yeah, they're a little dirty. They've been sitting out in the rain. They've been walked on by the guys that were building the fence a little bit, and that's alright. Another one biting me. But that's alright. I gotta come back through and level this a little bit. You can see it's kind of high on this side. And I want to square them with the other ones. If you look down my line, oh, they're not level. And I want it to look nice. I want everything. It's got a new fence. It's nice and flat, you know, it's pretty square. I want to keep everything looking nice. So, I think I'm going to treat my bug bites. Are they still biting me? I don't know. I'm going to treat my bug bites, and I think I'm going to use a string line. And I'm going to level them later, because the whole point of this video was just to show you the easiest that I could find. The easiest raised garden bed. I'm sorry. Clinda distracted me. What does she got? What you got, Clinda? You got a vine? So I want to show you how to put together the easiest raised garden bed off Amazon. Like I said, this one cost $78. And it took me less than a minute to put together. It's fantastic. You seen it. I have to re-amend this soil. I'm gonna add more compost to these piles, these garden beds. And I'll put them all online and it'll be great. So thank you for coming on with me on this adventure. While we're here, let's go check on the chickens, see how they're doing. Got a crazy dog on our hands. Crazy dog. Crazy dog. What you doing, Clinda? What you doing, chicken? Let's check out the other two. Gotta get used to how this thing's set up right now. Set up for easy angles. Let's go check out the chickens. Got my bamboos a little bit overgrown. Chickens don't mind that. They like to eat that bamboo. That's good for them. Say hello, little buddy. Got an egg right there. Oh no. Poor Clint. So, I'm gonna check out her head. Poor Doris. So, that's a chicken, Doris. Alright, girls. I'm gonna close this real quick. That's her chicken, Doris. For some reason, because of her white head, the other chickens like to pick on her. And so we're constantly treating it. We might end up separating her again. It's kind of a problem. She might have to live by herself or something. I don't know. Everything we've done doesn't seem to help. We can't keep her from getting bullied. Chickens are going to be chickens. That's just who they are. So I think we might have to build Doris her own little pen. That's alright though. Y'all recognize the floating deck is still up and it's still sturdy. Got my utensils in there. The chickens are loud. They're talking. Got some broody ones right now. Y'all got some eggs for me? What you doing? Hi. Yeah, you're sitting on eggs. I gotta collect eggs. So, I built this chicken coop. This one, anyways. The other one over there, the smaller one. I built the run, but I bought the coop in the house. Well, anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and close this out. My ankles are really killing me. Them ants tore me up. So, if you like this video, hit the like button. If we earned it, subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. I've got a couple already down there. Hit the notification bell to let you know when I post new videos, if that's something that you want to do. And only if we earned it. I'm hold you accountable. Thanks again for watching. Lastly, I don't know if I said this. I'm gonna have to go back and rewatch this, but you can. I'll put a link in the description to that there raised garden bed that I found. Clinda, you all set? You want to go inside? It's time to go inside. I need to put on some ointment because my legs are on fire. Peace.